Yes, and start. This order shall also govern disposal of MCC number 4/93 Vinod Kumar versus Leeladhar and others, MCC number 5/93. Stop. The question involved in these petitions is of general public importance and is of everyday occurrence, and therefore I requested Shri Deepak Verma and Shri Ravinder Srivastav, advocates, to appear as amicus curiae. Stop. I must record my thanks for their able assistance to this court at a short notice in spite of their preoccupation and responsibilities. Stop. The question is whether the High Court has power and jurisdiction to transfer a case from Jabalpur Motor Accident Claims Tribunal to Bilaspur Motor Accident Claims Tribunal constituted by the state government for a particular area by notification issued under section 165 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, exercising powers under section 24 of the Civil Procedure Code 91908. Stop. Arguments of the council were spread over on three aspects. Stop. Whether the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 bracket start hereinafter referred as the Act bracket close with the rules framed thereunder is a self-contained code, and therefore Code of Civil Procedure 1908 has application only so far as the provisions of Civil Procedure Code are expressly made applicable under the Act or the rules framed under section 176 of the Act. Stop. Whether the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal is a court subordinate to the High Court, whether the transferee court can be said to be a court competent to entertain an application for compensation in view of section 166 within bracket 2 of the Act para. Under section 165 of the Act, motor accidents claims tribunals are constituted by the state government by issuance of the notification in the official gazette for the area as may be specified in the notification for the purpose of adjudicating upon claims for compensation in respect of accidents involving the death of or bodily injury to persons arising out of the use of motor vehicles or damages to any property of third party so arising or both. Stop. Section 166 provides procedure and locus in moving an application for compensation. Subsection bracket 2 of section 166 provides that every application shall be made to the claims tribunal having jurisdiction over the area in which the accident occurred. Section 168 gives power to the tribunal to pass an award determining the amount of compensation. Section 169 gives the procedure and powers of the claims tribunal, wherein the claims tribunal has been vested with the powers of the civil court for the purpose of taking evidence on oath and of enforcing attendance of witnesses and compelling the discovery and production of the documents. Stop.